Hello! We are going to learn how to install org chart in your HubSpot CRM. We recommend being a super admin so you can install it for the full team without any issues. The first step is to go to the HubSpot Marketplace by clicking here on the top menu. Search for org chart, then click on Install. You have to accept the permits, and we recommend accepting the optional ones so you can have all the full features of the app. Connecting up. When the installation is done, you can go ahead and set the cards in your records by adding the cards to the corresponding views. Org chart can work on deals, contacts, and companies. So let's go ahead and set it for companies, since the process is similar for deals or contacts. Select one company to enter on the record, and then customize the view by clicking on Customize. Since you are a super admin, this view will be shared with the rest of the team that has access to it. Once you configure this as a super admin, the rest of the team will also see the card. The cards can be set on the sidebar or here in the middle. We recommend creating a new tab just for this, so it has better access. Click on the plus sign to add a new tab. Add a name to the tab. Then add a new card on the tab by going to Card Library. Search for the org chart card. Add card, save and exit. When this is done, you will have a new tab here with org chart. The rest of your team will also start to have access. On the card, you can select the charts available for that record and pre-visualize the organizational charts. You can also modify the org chart by clicking on Open Editor, a full drag-and-drop window that will allow to adapt the reporting structure. You can also create new ones, use AI to draft the charts, see buying roles, and much more. Thanks!